Let us now talk about the tools. The tools you will need. Have you ever bought a course, got excited about automation, and then felt overwhelmed by all the tools and tech involved? You start strong, but once it's time to actually build something, the questions flood in. Do I need to code? Which tools do I need? Will this work with what I already have? Or how much is this going to cost me? Well, the problem is without clarity on the tools and how they work together, most people stall out before they launch their first automation. But here's the good news. You don't need 20 different apps or advanced tech skills to build your AI employee. With just a few powerful and beginner friendly tools, you can build a system that runs your outreach, leads, follow ups, content, and client support 24 by 7 like a pro. Let's walk through the essential tools you will be using or you will use to bring your AI employee to life. Starting with Go High Level, the essential tool number one, your all in one platform for CRM, automations, emails, SMS, forms, funnels, pipelines, and calendars, and actually much more. Now, this acts as the brain and workflow builder. We'll use pre built workflow templates and snapshots throughout the course. Second is ChatGPT or OpenAI API, your AI copywriter and conversation engine. This tool powers smart replies to leads, content generation, emails, follow ups, and social posts, on demand writing assistance. It will show you exactly how to write prompts that feel human and convert. Third would be Zapier. That's an optional thing. Use Zapier to connect apps outside of Go High Level like Google Sheets, Stripe, or Calendly. Think of it as the glue between platforms when direct integrations are not available. Other tools that will help us are Canva for designing social content templates, Google Drive to organize and share templates and SOPs, Loom, that is again optional for AI generated video responses or onboarding flows. Here's the truth, you don't need a tech team, you just need the right toolkit and guidance. And by the end of this course, you will be confident in using all of these tools to build your first automated system from scratch. So go ahead and do it now. Download your AI toolkit checklist from the resources section and make sure you have signed up or bookmarked each platform listed. If I had an AI employee ready today, what task would I delegate first? Keep that task in mind because in the next lesson, we will begin building it. So let's gear up and get ready to automate.